on, off, and a whole world in between. We live complex, varied lives. What if there was a solution to match? A solution that could grow with us, whatever our dreams and realities are, with an app to intuitively control every room and the option to use Bluetooth, so no new wiring. Just like the Gira System 3000. For a perfect balance of sun and shade, timings to suit early birds, night owls or both, and temperatures tailored for personal comfort. No matter how individual our preferences, Gira has the right top unit for everyone. Simple control of the lights, heating and blinds with a smartphone. In every room, at any time, in every design. Whether we're at home or just pretending to be at home, discover the world between on and off. Gira System 3000.